Welcome to Asin Code. What's going on, guys? Don't forget to like and subscribe if you love what we do. In Matplotlib, which is a Python library for creating graphs and plots, markers are used to represent individual data points in a plot. For example, when you plot a line graph, the line is drawn to connect the points, but you can use markers to show where those points are located. Markers are useful for highlighting specific points on a plot, making the data easier to interpret and visually engaging. This example demonstrates how to create a line plot in Python using Matplotlib, with customized markers to represent individual data points. The goal is to visually highlight the data points by using different marker shapes, sizes, and colors, and to connect these points with a line. Import necessary libraries. This imports the Matplotlib library for plotting graphs. This imports NumberPy, a library for handling arrays and numerical data. Create some data for plotting. X represents the X values of the data points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y represents the Y values of the data points 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Plotting the data with markers. Explanation of what the parameters do. Marker equals O specifies that the data points will be marked with circles. Marker size equals 8 sets the size of the markers, bigger than default. Color equals blue makes the line blue. Line style equals dash means the line connecting the points will be solid. Line width equals 2 sets the thickness of the line to 2. Customizing the appearance of the markers. You can change the color of the marker separately from the line. Explanation. Marker equals S makes the marker a square. Marker face color equals red fills the square with red color. Markerage width equals 2 makes the border of the square thicker. Marker size equals 10 increases the size of the square. Color equals green changes the color of the line to green. Line style equals dash uses a solid line connecting the squares. Adding labels and title. displaying the plot. Now run our code. I hope you had fun. Like and subscribe for more exciting updates.